Good day, good day, everybody. Welcome back to another video. 2025 has been real. It's been great, but now we're in 2026. And because of that, that means the month of December is over. And I want to talk to y'all today about December trading. Um, so this is just my personal experience. This is not everybody in totality. It's just what I experienced and what I've heard from some of the other traders, and I just wanted to share with y'all. So that way, if you are trading, this is some knowledge that you can have too, and being able to just incorporate into your journey, or just have that knowledge. So for me, the month of December started off pretty good. Everything was moving smoothly as expected, but more towards the end of the month, like things started to slow down. Whereas my setups weren't appearing as often as I had previously been seeing them. Um, so yeah, but I mean that's has to be expected, right? Because who are the market movers? The people who move the markets are those banks, those big financial institutions, right? So you have to think about it during the Christmas holiday, during the end of the year holiday, these people are on vacation. So because they're on vacation, they're not moving the markets, and therefore, meaning that means what I'm saying things will slow down a little bit. So I kind of had that knowledge ahead of time, but like now because I'm actually in the markets trading, I was actually able to experience that, right? And so not only that, but I've also heard of some traders just actually taking the whole month off, right? They say they take the month off because again, the banks, financial institutions aren't in the market as they normally are. So yeah, just be prepared, for the market to slow down a little bit. Be prepared for, them not to be as liquid and as volatile as they normally are. And because the holidays, actually some days the market doesn't move at all, right? Like Christmas Day, that was the first time I've seen the market not move. And New Year's also, I seen the market not move. Like it was just at a complete standstill. Like it does that for the weekends, but that was my first time seeing it. It was like the whole trading session. So that's crazy. But it's good knowledge to know. This time come next year, um, this time come this year, December come 2026, I'll be, I already had that knowledge and I know, okay, cool. I need to do something else or really just spend it enjoying the family. Number three, something else that I learned. So I learned that, some people actually take the whole month off. Some the market slow down. And thirdly, I believe the the markets are a little bit manipulated. And what I mean by that is like they are they move, right? But there are a lot of fake outs, meaning because like again, like usually when we have a big push or a large push, it's usually followed by some strong volume, right? Because the banks are pumping it, moving a lot of transactions, a lot of orders are being made with a large amount of money. But when the banks are not there, we essentially have like, private investors and stuff like that, or think entities that are not as big as those financial institutions, but do have a large sum of money, and they can move the market for a very instantaneous or quick, brief moment, and then go ahead and take remove money as well. So as quick as it moves up, as quick as it can move right back down. As quick as it moves down, just in that same minute, it can move right back up. So again, that's also another reason why some people stay at the markets towards the end of the year, beginning of the year. So that's what I learned, and hopefully you all were able to get something out of that. Nothing crazy, but it's good to have this knowledge so that way we are better prepared, right? Because when it comes to when it comes to business, we have to know these things, whether we document it ourselves or we learn from other people. But we got to be prepared in advance, so that way we know how we can either prepare in advance or prepare after the fact, so that way everything's still running smooth. Because me personally, like I was prepared to, still be able to trade the same way I normally was, to meet certain goals. But because the market slowed down, I should have prepared either to 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 get those goals prior to, or just completely understand that these goals may not be hit during this time. So I need to figure some other source out, right? So that's all I got for today. Uh, Stay blessed by the best, God always.